Well, now we have continuing coverage of the Asheville Police Department with hidden camera video, as I just told you, revealing the APD went back on its word to the federal government.
Investigative reporter Mike Mason has been following this story. Mike?
Thanks, Darcel. And the reprimand appeared on Lieutenant Bill Wilke's hidden camera video. Since he never had any problems with the military, he's calling this discrimination. Until the chief's son was in a car wreck last year, he said he had absolutely no problems, and now he wants this investigated and for officials to get to the bottom of it.
Hidden camera video from Friday shot by Lieutenant Bill Wilke shows him walking up to the Asheville Police Department, then asking a clerk for his personnel files.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
What Wilke's about to find violates federal law, according to the U.S. Department of Labor. Inside, a memo from Chief William Anderson dated 3 months ago, warning if he took military leave again without finding a replacement, it will result in a disciplinary action. Video shows what appears to be the original memo signed by the chief in blue ink, now with a check mark showing it was placed in his personnel record.
Nope, we're good.
Wilke leaves the building feeling someone knowingly violated federal law, despite the promise not to. Just the latest act in a strange string of events he spoke about last month.
These are the things that are happening inside the police department, and it's very important that the public know and understand what is happening with their public safety agency.
Last month, the Department of Labor determined the chief's memo was not in compliance with federal law, allowing officers to leave work for military training. The city promised the memo was never placed in Lieutenant Wilke's personnel file, and the APD agreed not to place it there again. Now city officials admit the memo was found in Wilke's working APD file, but not the files held at City Hall. They couldn't explain how it got there, but say it will be removed. The state's PBA represents officers and advised city officials to address this matter immediately. Councilman Cecil Bothwell replied, his statement so harsh we can't show it all to you, basically calling the PBA repugnant in a number of ways. Wilke's main message remains the same. Despite the city's drama, officers still adhere to a higher standard.
Standing up for what you believe. There are things in this world that are far more important than a job. I've heard officers on the department say that, and I think that officers are now coming together.
And according to the Department of Labor, the U.S. Justice Department may seek enforcement on Wilke's behalf and initiate legal proceedings in U.S. District Court. First, Wilke has to request they reopen his investigation. The PBA's executive director tells us he's waiting to see if anyone besides Bothwell issues a statement. They will then decide what action to take next.